G'day and thanks for joining me. Today we're making gorgeous marbled chocolate dipped strawberries. Start by washing and thoroughly drying your strawberries. Melt your milk chocolate in a bowl. A smaller and deeper bowl is ideal for dipping. Now drizzle white and dark chocolate onto the milk chocolate. Do not mix this in. Tips on melting chocolate can be seen on my channel, link in the description. Using the leaves as a handle, dip each strawberry into the chocolate blend, creating a beautiful marbled pattern. Continue to drizzle and dip as needed, and if the chocolate gets too mixed, just stir it up and start again. And there you have it, stunning marbled chocolate dipped strawberries. And whatever you do, don't toss that leftover chocolate. Use it for cookies, cakes, or whatever your heart desires. Thank you so much for watching today. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more delicious recipes.